and comfort on this flight to London. Would you please now sit down, fasten your seatbelts securely, and on behalf of our France Airbus safety partners, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Okay, we just commenced pushback here at Charles de Gaulle. This is flight Air France AF1280 from Charles de Gaulle to Heathrow. Okay, the pack has just been switched off, and as the engines are being started.
Dressez le dossier de votre fauteuil et rangez votre tablette. Les membres d'équipage portant un insigne rouge sont chargés d'assurer votre sécurité à bord. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an unspoken flight. Your electronic devices must not be set in flight mode. Please remove your headphones and pay attention to the safety procedures. Please ensure to sit back is in your right position.
Get all the blast fences around,
Crew members wearing a red badge are in charge of
just to
your safety on
prevent
board.
the public from being blasted by the jet blast. Okay, we've got a flight safety briefing now, so let's pay attention.
Repérez maintenant le panneau le plus proche de votre siège. Il peut se trouver derrière vous. Les issues de secours sont situées de chaque côté de la cabine, à l'avant, au centre, à l'arrière. Pour évacuer l'avion, suivez le marquage lumineux au sol, sous les instructions de l'équipage. En cas d'évacuation, vous devez laisser tous vos bagages dans l'avion. In case of evacuation, the illuminated sign exit will help you locate the emergency exit. Take a moment now to locate the sign nearest you. Emergency exits on each side of the cabin are located at the front, in the center, and at the rear of the cabin. To evacuate the aircraft, follow the illuminated path according to the crew's instructions. In case of evacuation, you must leave your baggage in the plane. Les ceintures s'attachent et se détachent de cette façon. Your seatbelt is fastened and released like this.
So the second engine is being started.
Un masque à oxygène tombera automatiquement à votre portée. If there is a drop in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will automatically drop down in front of you. Tirez sur le masque pour libérer l'oxygène. Pull the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Appliquez le masque sur votre visage. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Une fois votre masque ajusté, il vous sera possible d'aider d'autres personnes. Make sure your own mask is well adjusted before helping others. Nous vous invitons à lire la notice de sécurité placée devant vous. We encourage everyone to read the safety information. Redressez le dossier de votre fauteuil et rangez votre tablette. Merci de votre attention. In preparation for takeoff, please fold away your table and ensure your seat back is in the upright position. Thank you for your attention.
That's the first time I've seen a flight safety card that's really, really small to save space. Engines have already been started, so we're all ready to go back to London. So I just realized that when we arrived, we had to take that transit train that runs on the black railway track bridge over there. To get from our arrival gate to the baggage collection area and immigration area, but when we checked in to depart, we did not have to do that, so it saved us a little bit of time. spoilers. So that's gate K30. We boarded from gate K34, so we came from that building over there, and we are just taxiing to the runway now. As you can see, it's raining. It'll be nice to take off and get over on top of the clouds as quickly as we can. You can just see an aircraft taking off in the distance. One CDG aircraft in front.